Hey, I'm Ryan here. So today I'm going to cover to you how to navigate in TradingView, what you need to do, and how to set up your favorites and everything in TradingView. Let's get into that without wasting our time. So if you're watching my video first time, hit the subscribe button. And we talk about trading Forex and also crypto. So now once you have TradingView, this is TradingView. Once you're here, make sure you're logging. Once you're logging, it will be like this. Your profile setting, everything is there. Then go to product. You're going to go to super charts. So once you're in super chart, you'll see this. So this is your trading view, and these are your indicators. You can see your indicators over here. So let's say you want this, you can just delete this. You see, remove your indicators, and this is the buy and sell if you want to trade using trading view. So what are a few things you need to do first? Once you're down, you need to change the time you are here. So once you're gonna put in the time. You're gonna choose Kuala Lumpur since I'm here in Malaysia. And then these are the pairs you're gonna trade. Let's say you're not gonna trade US oil, you just can delete everything. Okay, now we have Euro USD, and you can right click, then you can change what you're going to see here, the symbolize. Okay, so even crypto, delete all this, all this. Want to keep our chart as simple as possible. Just like this is like a pair, what's going on, performance, 1 month, 3 months, going uptrend. And since it's just the free one, you might be seeing ads coming up here. You just need to cancel that. So when you want to add a currency pair, you need to go to right this. Wait, just gonna pause here. Okay, you want to add to your watch list, you can just do here, you can make a copy, you can rename, or you can import list, or you can create a new list. So this, since we don't have a premium, you cannot add list, so right click, then you can add a symbol. Let's say you want to add NZD USD. Okay, for this, always choose FXCM. Why I'm asking you to choose FXCM? Because the volume is a bit high in FXCM compared to others like Honda, Capital, Forex. You can try this with other pairs, so you'll know. Let's say you want to add all the pairs you're going to trade. Let's say USD, then look for FXCM, and let's say you want to trade gold, but I don't suggest that, so I'm not going to add that into it. As a beginner, you don't need to trade gold, you need only major pairs, and then it's already there. USD, and you want to see DXY, no other choice, you need to go with the TVC. There's no FXCM for DXY, so that's fine. So once you edit, if my face is blocking that, I'm just going to push this here on the right side. Okay, so this is where you're going to see. So another features I'm going to show to you is you're going to go to settings. Once you're in settings, these are the borders weak. So this is a status line, this is a logo, everything will show, title, everything is normal. This is pressing volume, you can see the volume on top, you see it's changing. And what I want to show you is I'm going to show to you alerts. Alerts is when you right click and set an alert, it will trigger to your phone and also in your desktop. So you need to use this. You need to download TradingView in your phone and make sure you log in using the same username, and then enable notification for TradingView in your phone so that you can get an alert. And then I'm gonna go canvas. So this is the background, and if you press in watermark, you'll see what are the pairs behind. I'm gonna enable now so that you'll know what pair we are going through and what are we doing. And there is events on break. So you see when you click this, you can see what event is coming up, and this is session breaks. Every session will have a break, and this is news notification. You see, once you on that, you'll have all the lines coming up. So this one you need to play around whether you need that or not, or you don't want. And this is the time frames. You see, these are all the time frame. Let's say you want to trade M15, you just put a star here, M15, and you'll have it there. And you want to trade 1 hour, you can put 1 hour, 4 hours, day, week. So everything is here. You don't need to go juggle. So 1 hour, you just press 1 hour and come back. 15 minutes and come there. And this is the indicator. So for indicator, what you want to do is, let's say you want to add moving average, right? Just now on the previous video, I said add to moving average. So you have a moving average exponential. So you just press that to come there. Or you want to star this also can. Once you put star, you'll come to your favorite. So this is your favorite, and this is your personal. If you develop something, it will be here. So let's say you put moving average, and let's say you want to put RSI, just star that also, it will come here. So once this is here, indicators, I think I never clicking RSI. Okay. Only 2 things you can put since you are using a free. You cannot put more than that. Go to premium, then you can get more. So for this, if you want to play around with settings, just go to that and then use these as settings. See, if you want to change the length, just put 50. This will become 50. And this is just the style. If you want to change the color, and if let's say you want to change the thickness, you can change around with here and just press OK. See, it's become like this. So this is how you add indicators to your trading view. If you can move up, or you want to delete also, you can delete, and this indicator also you can delete. So all this is pretty much same. And let's say you want to remove this log price. I'm going to show to you how you can see trading instant order placement. If you want to use this, you can use instant order placement. Ideas. So what I want to show this is if you enable ideas, so you see this is now all ideas, right? So if all ideas, you can see other people, what are they thinking for now. Oh, sorry. See all the green, press this. You go to somebody's idea, then you press play, you can see how the idea plays out. So this is why I place my idea also in GU. So you can see all the ideas is here. So this is why idea is being used. You see, they can just play it out rather than you're going to Telegram and Instagram signal group. Here, at least people will talk about what they are using, and you can play it out instantly. This cannot be changed once they are posted. So it's going to be there, and they can update the ideas as well. Break even, take profit, stop loss. So it's going to be there. So for my ideas, I'm going to show you my link now. So this is my trading view. So you need to follow me trading with Brian. I'm going to give you the link in this video. This is the idea I'm been posting in my trading view. So you can press play and see what's happened to all my ideas. The ideas all is here, and I've given explanation what am I taking, what's going on. So to follow my idea, what you're going to do is you need to copy paste this, and I'll put it in the link, and then I'm just going to show you example how to do it. So these are the things. I've been posting my ideas here, but I don't post all my trades here. I only post selected trades like 2 trades or 1 trade per day, or sometimes just 4 signals. 4 ideas in my trading view. So how to follow me is I'm going to put in here, and then I'm going to paste my trading view signal. So once it comes like this, you just go follow. So once you follow, if you enable these settings, just now you enable all ideas, right? Now only the thing, my ideas of followed user. So you'll only see mine. You see here, I put here 1, right? This is the trade signals have been posted, so you can see what happened there. So this is an example of my ideas being played out and everything. So that's all I want to show you. You can follow me. You can just use the link, and this will be it. You can follow me, and you can message to me here as well if you want. So this is for following ideas. And for events, let's say for next week is coming up, you can see calendars events here. So this is what unemployment rate is coming up. So it's already here in the chart. So you don't need to look into other places. You can see it here itself, what news is coming up. And let's say you're trading in TradingView, right? So let's say you want to set an alert here. Once the market comes, you can just right click, add alert. And you can put like support resistance, or you want to sell once it's there as usual, or you want to buy, just put it there. Just put it there and put it create. So once the market reach this place, it'll give you an alert. What you need to do, maybe you check your phone or you in the PC. Once the market comes up, you set an alert, and then you decide, or you can set a limit order as well. Let's say your limit order is here, you need to place your alert a bit down, because you don't want to place it too close where you don't have a distance to measure. And you can create 5 alerts for free version, and you can create 20 for paid version lah. Since you're going to test it out, you can still use free version for now. Once you're used to TradingView and you think you're going to use TradingView, and then go for the paid version. So now I'm going to go through one by one. So this is the cross I'm using now. You can see the cross, you can see. So this I'm going to starlight. Once I start, this thing will come. This is my favorite keys, and this is the line you want to draw. If you want to draw trend line, just starlight that as well. And this is lead wave, and this is the long position, short position, and this is the price date range. I'm going to come to that, all that. And this is the brush, this is the highlighter, and you definitely need the rectangle, and you need a circle, and this is a path. You want to do some drawings. And this is the tag, and this is the anchor tag. Anchor tags is even you move your chart left, right, it will be there, something like this. GU all time high. I'm just gonna give an example. Then you want to edit this, you can make it big, 32, and then just put it a border. Now this is here, right? Even if I change, you see, this will come along with you all the time. You can put this as down as rules and regulation. Let's say these are your rules. You can place that rules to follow. Then you put in your rules, so it will be here forever whenever you want to trade something. So whenever you want to take a trade, you can look into your rules here. And what a normal tag? Let's say you want to take a sell here, right? So this will be sell. One switch this level. So what happened to this level is you go like this, you cannot see that. See, just follow to that moment. So just now we're going to take a sell, right? So let's say I want to take a sell from this support resistance. I usually will place time to stop loss, and then let's say I'm going to place take profit until here or here. So this will be my trade analysis for the coming 15 minutes time frame. So I set alert. When you want to set alert, also make sure you set alert like 10 pips or 20 pips below. The 10 pips is better for us. So when the market comes up to here, you will be known that okay, market is approaching your entry. So that time you might decide you want to take that entry, or you might want to skip, or you want to place a limit order. Why I want to give these 10 pips difference is because sometimes market can be coming like a bullish week like this. So you want to avoid this, or you want to stick to the trade so that you know in advance, so you don't get a shock when you look into the market next. So next, what you're going to do is going to delete this. I'll delete this as well. So this let it be here. And let's say you want to draw, you can use this, the rectangular, just play around with this. So this is a high and low, and even you can name, let's say this one you want to change color, right? Let's go to yellow, then background change to yellow. So now you have this, maybe you want to put this black. Okay. Then you can save this as low, then this press okay. So now I want to draw something else at here high, and let's say you need to save this as high also. Just in case you want to give different names for different drawings, you can do that, no worries. Let's say I want to draw this here again, and now it's coming this color, right? Just right click this, and I'll just change to high. So this will be useful. Even for sell high, you can set limits. It's a long position. What is this date range? So whenever you want to measure from here to here, how many pips it's moved. So when I measure to here, you see it's showing 27.6 pips of move. So we use 16 bars for 4 hours, and this is the volume, 80,000, and this is the percentage, 0.21% have moved for overall during that time. So this is what you get. So I prefer to use this, everything is there. So you want to measure like this also can. So this is like for 2 days, 15 hours. See, that's how you measure. And this is for circle. Let's say you want to highlight some zoom place. Okay, I'm being focused on this area, and this basically is a sketch. And this also is a drawing, and this to draw your path. Let's say you predict from here to come like this, or it predicts and go down, or you can predict it comes down, go back here, and then goes down here again. So there's many prediction you can do, and you can predict your trade as well, what you're going to do. All this you can write it down with this. So yeah, that's another one. Okay, so this is where do I stop? So this is the ruler. Ruler is to measure. That's what we had this just now. This is a ruler, and this is for zoom in, zoom out. So you can zoom in here, you can zoom out here until how small you want to see. Okay. And this is for backtest. Which date you want to go? You can just choose a date, and then you can just go back there. If you're using a free, it won't allow you to go. It will say you need a premium one to go towards this kind of dates. You see, power up plan, you need to get a choose a plan before you do that. And for replay also same, it won't allow to go because you need a premium plan to do a backtest. Right click, reset chart view, you'll come back to here. So in here we have reset chart view. You can copy, you can paste, you can add alert, you can trade. All these you can do, and if you press remove drawing, everything will be gone. And this for trading view, and this for select bars when you want to do your backtest. That's a different thing. If you're doing a backtest, that will be shown there. And this is indicator we covered just now. And what's this? This is your others indicators. You have savings, and this is the you want to change your candlestick volume candle or whatever you want to change. So everything is here. You want to use bar. Okay, and you even can change the color of your thing. Let's say you like dark theme. Press this to change to dark, but I prefer to use white. You can play around. There's so many configuration you can do with TradingView, and this will be on right side. You see, this is small. Oh, you couldn't see it. Let me just bring the chart a bit smaller to you. Okay, can you see now? Okay, this will be better. If this is your favorite, just put it down there. I'm going to make this until we can see this. So here, you see this is the alert you have set. So just now we set alert here, right? So you'll show here the alert. So this is the alert, and this is the data window that you need to do now, and this is the ideas. So this will be your ideas if you posted any ideas over there, and this is the message. And people will be talking here, same like community, and this is the idea stream, what others are posting about what ideas they're going to look for. And this will be your notification. So you have no notification for now, just cancel it. So what you want to know here is the next is your take a snapshot. So the best thing about TradingView is you can take a snapshot using like this, download image. You'll just download the whole thing. You want to copy image, you want to copy link, you can put to a tracker. So I'm going to give to you in this video a tracker whenever you're doing your backtest or your trade. So when you do the tracker, you need to use this copy link. So once you do that, see, once I copy this link, I'm going to paste here. See, whatever trade before you want to do, you'll have it like this. So let's say I have some drawings right now. I don't have any drawings. If you have any drawings here, it will come exactly as how you want. Then just put one here. Just put like that. And then you want to take a picture. You take a copy link. And you even have a shortcut here. Just copy link. And then you paste it here. So this will be your before picture if you're trading a trade. So let's say you forecast it like this, and once this trade played out, you take again your after picture. So this is how it's gonna be. Okay, this will be the backtest tracker. I'll put a link for this so you can get it for free. So this is the backtest tracker I'm using. This is just a simple version. I use a more extensive version. So you can put a currency what you're trading. Just now you put GU, right? And then this is the type of trade. Let's say you want to put support, resistance, plus anything Bollinger Band. Just put it there. This for your reference. Then is it short or sell? And what time frame does it came? And what's the stop loss, take profit? And this the pictures, and this your RR. So the picture just now we took, we're gonna put it here. So it's gonna be before and after the trade take profit or stop loss. You're gonna put it here. And then you wanna write your entry. What does it happen? Okay, I thought, or maybe news took it out, or you should move to break even. You want to write all your reasoning for here. So this tracker, you can change the date, whatever date you want. I mean, for the current date or what date you want to do. So this for entire week. Once this thing finish, you just create another layer for the coming week. So all your trade will be recorded in this tracker. Why you need a tracker? Because something you cannot measure, you cannot do analysis. So once you measure what you're doing, then only you know what are the mistakes are you doing in the first place. So let's say you're just consuming all the trades, but you don't know what's happening end of the week or end of the month or end of 3 months. You need that kind of forecasting. What are you going to do? Because you're looking too close just to the trade. You're not looking at the overall picture. So when you do this, you might know what's happening wrong to you. But that also you need someone supervisor to see why is it going wrong, because you are the only one seeing it. So if you're doing it right, it's okay. But if you're doing it wrong, then that's the problem. Like who's going to check your tracker? Who's going to tell you what are you doing is correct or wrong? Because you're doing it on your own, so you need somebody to check for you to see that okay, this support resistance what you choose is a strong one or is a weak one. Understand? So this is a strong one or weak one, or this is the weak one, because all the YouTube video will just say okay, take this, take that, but you're not sure this will respect this or not, or this will gonna be respect that or not. So all these need a lot of strategies. I mean, a lot of exercise. You need to do like 100, and with the risk to reward, what you're gonna use, all this will come into place. So this is the backtest tracker. I'm going to give it to you. And for TradingView, I think basically that's all. You can place your limit here. Then you can place another limit if you want to wait for down. So waiting for buy. Then you can read your reason, and then you can hear once, or you want every time once the comes point. This is the crossing, and you can just place your alert. And this is the notification, how you want it. Or notify an app, show test notification, send to your email, or play sound. You can enable all this, and all this will play songs for you, and send a plain text. This also you can do. So everything, the notification is so many things. It's like quite hard to miss lah. Unless you're not in your PC or unless the phone is not with you, then you're gonna miss your trade alert. So basically, my trading style is usually I set an alert, and sometimes if I know I'm confident with my trading setup, I'll just place a limit order. So I don't spend long hours sitting on the chart. I'll just wait until the market comes down, reverse or whatever, just set take profit, stop loss, and then you forget. There's nothing much you can do. Only four things, before you entry, you think multiple times. You want to think 5 times, 10 times, up to you. Once you take your entry, you need to control your lot size. That's under your control. So once you control your lot size, and then you go to your take profit and stop loss. Once you fix that, that's the only four things have it in your hand. Your entry level, your risk management, your take profit, your stop loss. After that, just forget about the trade. Let the trade play out. Even you sit hours, you cannot blow the chart go up, you cannot blow like that. Doesn't work like that as well. So just set the trade and let it play out. Don't sit there, don't see other time frame, don't keep changing time frames and thinking something. So your mind will start thinking something which is not there at all. So we don't want that. Don't get hooked to the chart. For those who are starting out, you definitely need long hours on the screen, like 3 to 4 hours. That also maximum. Don't go more than 4 hours because you'll get drained. You don't want that to happen. We want you to be consistent in the chart. So spend daily 2 hours or 3 hours whenever you're possible. Fix that time. Let's say 8 to 10 p.m. You'll be on the chart. Make sure you are there to 8 to 10 in the chart. Make sure you do that daily. And on the weekend, make sure you look back what you did correct or wrong on TradingView. So I think basically pretty much on TradingView for that. Maybe I think I covered much. Only for the replay, it cannot be done if you're using a free version. And I have a different video which I did how you want to run a backtest. That's completely another 20 minutes video on how you can just run backtest and how to copy trade to your backtest tracker. You can use this for collecting trades as well, what you're doing daily. And I'm going to give it to you one more thing on this video. It's going to be a trading checklist. And let me get you that. Okay, this is a trading checklist. For this link, I'll drop it down below as well, so you can get that checklist for free from me. So what you're going to do in this checklist is you're going to see mark every time you're going to trade. So what is it going to do? Is the market trending or ranging? Are you trading in the same direction as the market is going? Are you trading opposite? Are you comfortable with the risk you are taking right now? Or you are taking too much risk because you get too excited with the setup? Are you following your own trading plan? Does the setup meet my entry requirement? Does all your setup meets your entry requirements? Now I said you can put it under your right down here, you write your rules. So you need to meet all your entry requirement before you take your trade. So are you trading emotionally stable today, or you're trading with revenge? You want to get back to the market since you lose few days and you want to get back to the market and you want to do revenge trading. Do you physically find today to trade today? Are you having pain in your body so that you're showing that pain towards the market? Are you frustrating? Are you showing anger towards the market or not? Is there any level of support or resistance nearby when you take trade? Or are you trading your trade with stop loss and take profit, or you just letting it as open? That's very high risk. Always place a stop loss and also take profit. Once you just enter the trade, don't let it be hanging without any direction. And are there any significant economy release that can impact your trade or not? And then is your alarm is set for any news before news, or is the alarm is set before your entry zone? Just now I show you, right? You can set alert. And have you journal your trade? So the journaling, you can use my backtest tracker. Gonna be there. I'm gonna put these two links there so you can download it for free and use it. And I'm gonna put it all the links below you need to get started. And this is the right way to do. You don't just start watching some videos and then going blindly. You need to have a proper plan what you're gonna do, how you're gonna do it. And I hope this is gonna guide you towards the right path. And this is just all the basic stuff we are doing here. There's more in-depth to it. And when it goes more in-depth, you need more understanding towards that. So I hope you create a strategy for yourself. Make sure it's somebody you watch videos or you have a good strategies which isn't working. Make sure you backtest that before. And let's say you are interested in my strategy, you can always contact me to my personal coaching program and see how we can work things out. Again, you can do it on your own as well. And if you need any assistance, you can just send me an email or drop me a message, see what I can help you out. So yeah, we are here to create a good trading community. Always remember, being a good trader and the money will follow. Don't focus on the money as output, because you need to be a good trader for the money to come into you. Always remember that. Try to be a good trader, follow your rules, stick to your trading plan, and everything will be fine. And thank you for that's all for today.